a male giant bullfrog. Reptiles and amphibians rarely care for their young after they hatch, but this South African bruiser is an exception. The males sort out their dominance through combat. The strongest will mate with the most females. You might not expect such an aggressive male to be a caring father. Yet one male stays behind to watch over not just his own, but everyone else's offspring. The females laid their eggs in the shallows around the margins of the pool. But the sun is intense, and the shallows have shrunk to a single pool. There's a real danger that the tadpoles will be stranded. The guardian male recognizes the problem. There is only one thing he can do to save them: dig a channel to the main pool. They're safe.